Hey, what's going on? Prashil here, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 2. Now, I gotta say, I definitely think that this could be a great potential contender for the back-to-school laptop title. So let's get into it. Alright, so right in front of the box, you've got the actual laptop itself, and this is in sandstone. Now, turning the box around, you can see that it comes preloaded with Windows 11. And here are the specs. You've got the 11th gen Intel Core i5 processor, 128 gigabytes of storage, and 8 gigs of RAM. And the color is sandstone. All right, so you get a little pull tab over here. So let's go ahead and pull that. Didn't really do much, but it is what it is. Let's open it up. And there you have it. Got the Windows logo right here and a little pull tab here to take the laptop out. Right here in this nice, neatly packaged little folder, support card over here, as well as the, instruction manual and safety information right here. So yeah, let's set that aside. Also in the box, you get the charging brick. So let's take a look at that. Cable right here with the charging pack, nice and neatly packaged, really nice. I gotta say, the charging brick is actually really small and really compact, which I think is honestly a great way to go. Here's the cable, and yeah, it's a really nice little small package. You can easily chuck this in your bag, and you don't have to worry about it. Now let's get to the laptop. Wow, I messed that up real bad. That's okay, because here it is. The laptop and all its glory. And I gotta say, the sandstone color is actually really nice. It's a little subtle, but it definitely feels a little silverish with a hint of yellow, depending on where you kind of aim the light at it. But yeah, it's a really nice color. It's really subtle. Microsoft logo here, made in China, all that stuff. And you get a low battery sign here. But yeah, I gotta say, I really like the form factor of this laptop. Yeah, the keyboard has a decent bit of travel. Doesn't feel too bad. I feel like the trackpad could be a little bit bigger, but yeah. So far, it honestly looks pretty promising. I can't wait to do my full in-depth review for that, so stay tuned for that. Alright, so this has been my unboxing of the Surface Laptop Go 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.